In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the hand foot crawl. This is one of my favorite core exercises, and it will look simple to do, but it's not. You will definitely feel it fire up those abs. All right, so you're going to get into a quadruped position, meaning your hands are going to be below your shoulders and knees are below your hips, back is flat, and you're flexing through your feet, okay? From here, you're bringing your knees off the ground just a little bit, like an inch or two at the very most. So it's going to look like this. Very little change in my back or the structure of my shape here. It's not going to look like this, okay? The hips are not hiking up. At no point in the exercise should the hips hike up. You're always going to have this shape, including this square right here is always being maintained. You'll see what I'm talking about in a second here. So, get your starting position. You're looking at the ground. From here, you're going to move opposite arm and opposite leg together, forward. So in this case, right arm, left leg, scooch forward. Left arm, right leg, scooch forward. Notice my hips are barely moving. My back is staying flat. I'm not rocking side to side. My knees are also not shooting forward too much, so that my shape is staying maintained. There's still that square on the side. Okay? So I'm going to show you real fast what not to do. And it's very common in the beginning as you're getting oriented with it, because it's kind of tricky. It takes a little bit to take a little bit of practice to think about how to move our opposite limbs together in sync. Okay? We're not used to that. That's why we're doing it. So you don't want to do this, where your knee shoots too far forward. Oops, sorry, like this, where also the knee is like in the elbow. It's always going to be a small movement, like that. Okay? So don't let the knee shoot forward, and you also don't want to be moving the wrong limbs. So it happens a lot. People kind of try to do like this, where your same side arm and leg are moving together. It's opposite. Okay? So again, looks simple. It's not. If you can't tell, I'm out of breath. So usually you'll go for either distance or time. If you have short space like I do, you're just going to turn around. If you're very fit and you're finding the crawl's going to be easy, you also crawl backward like this. So crawl forward. And if you're able to do that pretty well, you can try crawling backward. It's probably going to be harder. It should be. But all the same points apply. Try to resist wiggling to the hips. Try to keep that square on the side. Your knees are going to stay down. All right, so give that a try. That's the hand foot crawl.